Richmat, years of focus on the in-depth research and development of the linear drive field, reflects the brilliance of technology within every lift and rotation, motion, and statistics. Qingdao Richmat Intelligence Technology Incorporated, headquartered in Jimo District, Qingdao City, has been engaged in the intelligence linear drive industry since 2003, with nearly 20 years of rich experience. Richmat is a company that integrates market and customer surveys, independent design, research and development, manufacturing, and domestic and international sales. As an industry-leading supplier of drive and control system solutions, Richmat is committed to providing intelligent, customized, automated, interconnected, and high-quality intelligence linear drive products to customers across the world. At present, Richmat has laid a solid technological accumulation in 4 major application scenarios of smart home, intelligent medical care, smart office, and industrial drive. A business pattern that covers various application scenarios, with smart home as the core, has been formed.